welcome back. So in today's video I am eating tteokbokki. I think it's called tteokbokki. I think I'm saying it right. Please don't come for me if I'm not. And tteokbokki is rice cakes in a spicy tomato sauce, and I have cheese on there as well. I've seen lots of YouTubers eat it with cheese. I also have these tteokbokki snacks. I think these are Korean. Yes, they are. It says product of Korea. I thought these would be quite nice to try. I also have some seaweed and some sticky rice and cucumber and soy sauce. I'm going to do some sushi with that. And I am drinking some boba tea. This is pearl soybean drink with tapioca balls. I'm not sure what flavour that is. Looks amazing. And then I have some watermelon, a watermelon soda. Apparently, watermelon is really, really popular in Korea, drink-wise. So this video is going to be ASMR as well, guys. So I'm going to get stuck in. I'm really excited. So let's go for the drink. Let's try this one. So let's try it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is Korean. It has like a very superficial kind of watermelon flavour, but very refreshing. Very sweet. That is amazing. Love that. We'll try that one a bit later on. So let's get into the food. Wow. That is amazing. These are sweet, but tomatoey. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that ASMR part. These spicy rice cakes are insane. I just love them so much. Quite difficult to use with chopsticks. So forgive me for using a spoon, but I think Koreans use spoons, wooden spoons. That drink is okay. It's not the best. It's very oaty and very distinct kind of taste, kind of woody, oaty. Not really my thing, but this watermelon is the shit. It's so good. I don't know what it's called. It says watermelon soda, and it's SFC, and it's product of Korea. And I just love the bottle as well. I think it's so cute. So I'm really, really, really enjoying that. The spicy rice cakes are insane. The seaweed, gorgeous. The sticky rice, just really, really enjoyed it. Really fresh. Whoop. Amazing. I do need to perfect my chopstick skills, but whatever. Seaweed, not my thing. It's okay, but I'd much prefer the spicy rice cakes. Absolutely love these. These are so good, especially with the cheese. Very hard to pick up. I just need some practice, I think, guys. So, yeah, guys, I just wanted to let you know that the BBC I will not be appearing on the BBC anymore. They sent me an email this morning saying that they've had to axe my section because they didn't have enough time. They ran over in on the programme. So that's upset me because I really wanted to. This was an amazing opportunity for me. Oh, by the way, these taste really, really strange. Like sweet. You can see the sugar. It's almost like crystallized. They're not hot, but really, really good. Really like these. So yeah, they said they ran over. You know, the allowance of the time of the program went over. So I understand that, I really do, and appreciate that. You know, I know how it works in the media business, guys. I know how it works, and these things happen. Happened to me before. I think that's just the way it goes, I'm afraid, and I'm just so gutted because I told literally everyone. But there'll be many more opportunities, even with the BBC. I still love them, and I understand that these things happen, but I'm gutted because I really wanted to be on the show. So I love BBC. So guys, I'm going to go. Hope you enjoyed this spicy rice cakes. I've always wanted to try this brand, always, and they really came out amazing with them. And they really, really impressed me. I'm really, really amazing. This is not at all spicy. It's slightly spicy, but it's very tomatoey. And if you love anything tomato saucy like I do, you know, with pasta, you love that. So yeah, guys, and the rice cakes as well taste really, really. I think it depends on the sauce. If it has rice cakes can be quite bland, and if they're with a really nice sauce, I think the flavour kind of it coats the rice cake, so they do become like a better consistency and tastier. Anyway, I'm gonna go, but thank you so much for watching my video. I've enjoyed myself so much as usual, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support and understanding and everything else. You guys literally make my life, and I'd be nothing without you, honestly, guys. And I was so excited to film a video today because you really do make me feel at home and just so comforted, and I love it. So I love you all so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Click the like button and the notification bell to be notified when I next upload, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.